Hello, this is Mike, NoStressMike.com, and I'm reporting from outside of Merida, Mexico, the Yucatan Peninsula. It's only one big city, and I'm outside of that. And the reason I'm making this video is it's raining. It's it's funny because I said that this is the rainy season, and every time it's rained, I made a video on it. So maybe I misunderstood, but the rainy season isn't all that rainy. It's not that wet. But could be wrong. It's what third rain there is. Let's see, what's the temperature? Now it's starting to cool down. Now it's 5 o'clock, and let's see what. 97 degrees, 5 o'clock. So it was probably 101, maybe 102. So anyway, the rainy season haven't really affected the weather much. Got a client supposed to be in at 4 o'clock, and it's 5 now, so I misunderstood the time or the day. But it's something that that happens, and it's just one of the things, you just have to bear with it. Now, here is trash. There's somebody that lives behind me, and they keep putting trash out here, and I can't talk to them and explain that, why is your trash here? And this has been over a week now, so I don't know what the problem is. And it's on a motorcycle too, so I don't know what they're going to do. Let's see. 5 o'clock traffic. That's not a whole lot of traffic. 5 o'clock. But anyway, let's see. Oh, what I wanted to explain also was I'm going through a lot of gals, and the reason is they're all in their 20s and 30s, and you can't, at 20 and 30 years old, they're looking for something different than I am. I'm the rich American, so you got that, but that's about it. And we're not hitting it off. And got another one supposed to be tomorrow. I'll be meeting another one tomorrow, and I don't know how old. And I've been going to town more, uh, trying to get out more and seeing people and stuff like that. But there's not that. Just a small community, and trying to find someone that's healthy isn't that easy. And one of the funny things, ah, uh, one of the funny things is, oh, that's my neighbor. That's the one that lives out in back. But one of the, now I got sidetracked, missed up. I don't know what it was I was going, but oh, anyway, the gal, I don't know. I'm hoping she's going to be at least 40, and in shape. It's funny because I had I've got a problem. It's in my brain, and I've got a walk that makes me look like I'm drunk. And and it's funny because they don't understand. I mean, he's an old sick guy, and so we're we're having problems. But like I say, 40, 50 years old, 60 years old, even 70, I don't care. I'm looking for the companionship, and they are not fulfilling my desires, and I don't understand the reasoning. I mean, I'll pay for everything, you know. I've got an extra room, matter of fact, and so I need them to be with me to translate and explain to me what's going on, just what's going on, and it's I don't know. I don't know what's going on, and matter of fact, there was no tourists around here, but I'm not particular. I just want somebody to be with. I don't want to be alone, and but anyway, we'll have to just keep playing it by ear, and we'll see what happens. But and I had somebody ask about this tree, and I don't know what these things are. I keep forgetting to ask somebody who would know. They can speak English, and but there it is, and they got pretty flowers, but the flowers aren't blooming now. But they were there for a while. They were doing pretty good. But anyway, you see the clouds. Clouds are getting a little thick now. So, but anyway, this Mike, NoStressMike.com.